Hey there, streaming enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock unlimited entertainment? Meet the best IPTV provider, 2TV Store. Contact Nancy for personalized support, link in the description. Today, we're diving deep into the magic of adding channels to your IPTV setup. Intrigued by how easy it actually is? Stick around for this simple, step-by-step guide, starting now. First, connect your IPTV device to your home network. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. This step is key for a seamless streaming experience across multiple platforms. Next, access your IPTV app and find the settings menu. You'll want to look for the section labeled Add Channels. This is where the magic happens, revealing endless possibilities. Enter your M3 URL or playlist link from 2TV Store. Ensure accuracy to load channels effortlessly into your system. Curiosity pays off here in finding new and exciting content. Congratulations! You've now supercharged your viewing setup by adding new channels. Explore this vast world of content at your fingertips and remember to subscribe for more tips.